problem with America already. Foota don't act like you know Foota hype. Me don't know yeah. See. Look like busy. I say, yeah, me don't know where them a carry him going up. But me don't want him call to me, you know. So me pick up the vibe and me know all them things they go. Remember busy done it in a problem with them and things in. Some walk, me put a smile on my face and walk past busy like me don't know him, right? Cause we are G, we know the thing. Once you see police and problem, you're nervous. Once you see police with somebody where you know in a way like them and lock them up, you don't want them know you. You don't want to get charged by association. I mean, you wouldn't do that too busy either. Like when me a call to you for now, me in a problem and something I go on me, you don't even understand, me don't even know where I go on. See? So, see future same scene. So I'm going to go, them open my suitcase, them tear out my suitcase, them pull it, them empty me knapsack bag, them do everything. See? No weed, no signs of weed, no nothing. So them say me, when them can't lock me for weed now, them say me enter America illegally. Now, if you have common sense, you cannot go on a cruise ship where you're going to international waters without papers. They would not let you on the ship. So if you can't let me on the ship without papers, oh yeah, lock me up when me come off seminar the papers. So, it's a long story. Me end up in a lockup now. They might force me to deport myself. And I try pressure me to deport myself for no reason. In a life, you don't know when the good are going to come back to you. So me there jail, of course, the Marlies never left me stranded. Big up all Marlies. You understand? Big up the entire Jamra cruise passes in. They never leave me in the wilderness. You see? Carry an angle, I'm call all of my business them. And she just tell me, say, out of nowhere, Mama Kingston, Sean Kingston mother, the same woman who shot me the 5 bills, with the devil that tell me to cuss and rebel and go on bad. The devil that tell me to jump on internet or this to woman and them something there. See a Tara tell me that. She see a man. Remember she never know say the devil that tell me that. I never ever yet say to her. Me just say, alright, me want big up, give thanks. Cause me choose to remember how our son pull up on my party in her prime. See? So as she call. And as she say, how the things stay? And I say, well, XYZ, you know. And Marley them do XYZ and XYZ, you know. And if you remember, Sean mother said to me, say, so I'm to such girl. You're not a friend. I'm not ready to call them name yet, but in due time. Like she said, want to such girl. You're such girl a friend, man. So me and her deal that little part of thing I will left. Remember at the time me and such girl I saw. But me inner spirit, this is why me are telling us people, me not follow crowd. Anything me inner spirit say, I eat my work with me. Inner spirit say, don't ask such girl for nothing. And me say to Sean Kingston mother say, Mama, you know it's a big man thing. Me the inner so lock up. Me not call nobody and tell them say I wanna help. Me they are jail. Everybody outside knows say once you're inside you need help. So if I have to call you, to tell you say me need help, me not call you. You know what Mama say? Shanking some mother say, yo me G, anything you say. Try you say nah ask her for nothing. I move them blood clot. Me deal with everything. And I say, sure, Mama say I want to hear me G. Me, we deal with everything we left. She said, give me, like it was probably Wednesday or Thursday. She said, give me till Monday morning. Monday morning, say, Kerry, we got people me talk to Kerry every day. When me there jail, like I me and Kerry there jail together. Every day. If me not get careful, me stress out. See? So, like a Monday morning now, boom, say Kerry, mama might fix the thing. And she said, no, so the thing na boom bang yet, me don't know where I go on. And Kerry said, me I call her from man, and I not get her. Says her, she fix things. We start thinking, but we not doubt her. Because we know so she a real G. She was there. Thing lagging. Thing set. Lie appear off completely. All me do know, I sit down in this jail cell here, I wait for my release or my court date. Me never appear stressed if me have to go finish pay my lawyer or if my commissary good or nothing like that. So me I tell you, a 3-year span of remembering good deeds compares in a way, a bigger way. You understand what I say? That's why I tell you, say, if you have something bad for say about Sean Kingston or his mother, don't bumbuckler tell me. Go tell Jesus that. Not tell me. Because me have so many friends in and out of the industry who never look. We never send a cent. We never ask. Someone remember that. See? The Mali them. If you not have got nothing good to tell me about them, don't tell me, go tell Jesus. Do not tell me. Go tell Jesus. And you know Jesus not real, so you're not going to hear. Okay. So, me say that for say this now. Security say not even calling the call. So sometime, I know who you feel say, I go dead in your darkest time, dead. You hear that? Remember the woman, some of them love talk, some of them, when me and them used to friend, when we come out, but you know that we never know if you get to you. Shanking some of the worst, never know if you get to me. She call along the world. You have all people where she not deal with, where she want to get information from, she makes somebody else call them and give her the information. And make it happen. And fight for it. Remember one time I got deport myself, and she said, big bumbo hole. If you deport yourself, you can't chat to me again in her life. She cussed me like a dog. Come here, say, yo, me can't do this. I'm a big star. Anyway, in the real, me can't survive. She cussed me like a dog. She said, big bumbo hole boy, you idiot. We got you rougher than that, and me a woman, I'm a whole out. When you come talk about send himself and you don't do nothing, you have fool. And I say, you know me, I eat that with you. Why not? Kerry cussed me. Chin cussed me. I say, alright, me I hold it. So much of real people them can't cuss me and me cut. I hold it. So, as I said before, I said this, I said that, she said this. Draymond Green. Only tag him again. Tag him again. Tag Draymond Green again. Only tag Draymond Green again. Because I see Draymond Green I do something where I got hurt him in the long run. And Draymond Green I make association and friendship, new friendship, make him make some horrible decisions. See? Draymond Green, me don't know him, but me know him via my team, my basketball team, right? Which is Warriors. Now, Draymond Green is our main catalyst. People don't know what catalyst means. And him are the distributor. And him allow Curry to score so much 3-pointer in our league. Till Curry are the leading 3-pointer, meaning that him teach Curry to shoot it. But him always find the ball to Curry when Curry in the right shooting lane to shoot. And him make Klay Thompson shoot so much 3. And him are the man who distribute the ball. We don't have a second like him in the league, much less span with team. See? situation with Jordan Poole, I'm sorry say it reached physical, but Draymond have a right to step to him and make him know say him at the done. See? Draymond have a right based on anything when Jordan Poole said. So know say boy, don't size up with man a big man. Here why I rate Draymond Green so now. Draymond Green is compared to me via dancehall and social media. We stand up for what we believe in, we strong in what we believe, we defend ourselves, we're not coward, we're not fool, and we speak with mind. So people always say, yo, Draymond remind me, you know, I saw you stay, you're serious in a run joke. See? Now if you watch back the video properly, yes, Draymond stepped to Poole chuck the man. So you chuck the man, that means you initiate violence. So the man punch in your face and show you, say, don't ramp. Let me talk. Because you should have make me talk. Come here, you're done. Your company team come see me. Jordan Poole promising, but a Draymond are done. See? Draymond is the done. Curry will tell you, say Draymond are done. Clear will tell you, Draymond are done. Steve Curry will tell you, Jacob will tell you, say Draymond is the man. On and off the court. Him bring a fire to the team where the team need. More than the team boring, lousy, and him fire them up off the bench, fire them up in the game, get the crowd rowdy. Everything is very important. So now, I am saying, Draymond, I him pick most of the player them. Remember Draymond pick one if a great player for come a Warriors if you never know. Him a part of the scouting team. To say, yo, that one day him bad, bring him. You understand? So, I want to understand what I say. You have to make wise decisions in your life. Now, Draymond, if you're over here, remember, say, your statue bill already now. Draymond Green, think in your head, focus. Your statue over Golden State Warriors bill already. Your statue, Clay statue, Curry statue, bill already. Do not make LeBron get in your head and make you run with your legacy. See? Listen to me. Do not make LeBron make you run left your legacy. Be smart. You're not leaving Warriors side. Better them have to fire you. Make them run your way. I better get up or you leave. You idiot. Leave, go away. Alright, you want max contract. See? Jordan Poole look for 130 million, which him for fucking sit down and rest himself. Because if him left Warriors, him no must be so good. Because you're coming out winning system. Jordan Poole, fall the fuck back. Relax yourself. You could have gone on next side and win a year boy again. Because you come out of the winning system. You see okay, they struggle. Can't even make playoff. Time come out of the winning system. So I like people when they chat and I go, a KD give it to a ring. It's obvious now. Say, we give KD to a ring. Because KD can't be silly. Playoffs without it. See? Listen what me I say now. Draymond, stop going like you're an idiot. What do you see a power with LeBron? I carry LeBron umbrella and him bag like you turn a big LeBron groupie. Nothing wrong if you're LeBron a friend, brother. If you don't understand Pato, make somebody make Aisha Curry tell you what me I say. Brother, top move like you're an idiot. How you want to leave next year and go for Lakers? You're an idiot. Let's see Lakers are joining in one party in one place. You know the sense? Don't mash up your legacy, youth. Don't mash up your legacy, dog. Your statue bill already. Be a Kobe Bryant. Be a Tim Duncan, youth. Stay with your team from it a garbage till it become champion, till it become legend. And retire with your team. Get your statue and your thing them. Well, KD make playoff last year and get kicked out. Yeah, whatever. KD don't go nowhere near the ring. That me I try to say. Without Warriors, KD not have no glory when we that game. All I play them are left Warriors, what happened to them? So Jordan Poole would have hype up himself and feel like, yeah, you're the $1 million kid now. Because you're the Warriors. Yes, you're talented. Yes, you're the future. But with the system create a winning vibe that a winning feel there. You understand me, I said, dog? Chairman, don't. Somebody said, Foota, you sound like either or LeBron coming at this. You're a LeBron fan who knows nothing about LeBron. Draymond and LeBron has become the best of friends. You never realize? You know, so the whole half-season, they tore them apart everywhere. Him not apart with Curry, him not apart with Clay, not apart them, him apart with. And LeBron and him apart. So a woman did try to take picture with LeBron, a Draymond, a hold bag, and a hold LeBron umbrella and them something there. So, if you don't know about your own player, just shut up and just listen. So now, Draymond I feel like say, yo, my boy like them want hype up Jordan and Jordan Poole just come here and them a talk about if Jordan get max, me can't get max. Like, Draymond in them feelings because them a try size up, you understand what I say? And remember say, Draymond now and LeBron signed to the same agent. You understand what I say? So now if you understand that. But Draymond, me don't want to make the stupid decision of believing, say, at the right decision him going to make. Figure par with, Sasha British, you're trouble, you well I know me, I say. Figure par with LeBron, just the parent sake, LeBron already mash up him legacy of jumping from team to team. Now, LeBron is great. LeBron is great. LeBron is a very multi-talented. Business-wise, smart everything, but he's dumb. If he jump from place to place, he mash up that part-time legacy there. Curry legacy solid. Clay Thompson legacy solid. Draymond Green legacy solid. With the best trio in a basketball history. See? Draymond now, I'm going to make because of influence and power in the people you mash up that. Draymond, your statue bill already. Draymond, your statue bill and put on a weight for erect, for put up in a big basketball center. For Warriors, you do your work already, just stay and relax yourself now, man. And when you and Poole and make on the decision for how much money you get, remember on the legacy. Because sometimes you run on the one big money and mash up your legacy, brother. Careful what you do, my lad. Decision making is very, 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 very important. Blade, be quiet. Can you talk about a garbage right now? Zin, do not follow nobody, J-man. Stay your team, fix on the problem, and continue greatness. See? Please, J-man Green, sometimes you can't see your own destruction. See? J-man Green, sometimes you cannot see your own destruction. J-man, if you ask me, as a loyal Warriors fans right now, me would rather Jordan Poole go and where am I going now than you mash up your legacy, you know. Me would rather the team drop Jordan Poole than you mash up your legacy, you know. We have Steph Curry, we have Clay Thompson, we have all of our people who can replace Jordan Poole with what I do. We don't have nobody else to replace you. You are the facilitator, you are the distributor, you are the catalyst, and you make the vehicle run. We not deny that. We not deny that you are worth every penny. Sometimes you overreact and overdo it a little bit, but sometimes it work out in our favor. Because sometimes you drive fear in the rest of people, them and the rest of player them on the other side, and you go on that bag of things, and man sacrifice yourself and take a foul out and the business, or take an ejection and cut, and it work better for the team. Fire up the team. We really love Draymond Green from the team. Then We really love you on the team. Stop going like you're an idiot. When since you have LeBron, your name is turn boost and print to you and make decision like you're an idiot. He must say, after next year, him think he want to leave. Leave go away youth, and your statue done build a chop all in the over your statue, you know. Hungry thing when they retire now, then try to chop all in and put up his statue build already, you know. Probably them never tell you. But German, the statue build already, you know. German, your statue build already. Clay statue build already. Curry statue build already. Please, me I beg you, as a loyal fan, do not do anything stupid. Come to your senses. Even if you ever take a little pay cut, keep your legacy. Don't make that agent there, where a LeBron agent trick you into doing fuckery and mash up your legacy. And then they laugh after you in the long run. Be smart. Be smart. Be smart. J-Man, be smart. Okay? Yeah, but I don't understand, you know. I know pay Jacob now and pay him, you know. But them give, the NBA give a certain cap space where you can spend. So if them to keep Jordan Poole and to keep him, for the two money where them are reach out for one of it take a pay cut. See? So one of them have to take a pay cut. Two of them can't get the max because out of the payout limit where Warriors have, them can't pay the two of them the same maximum. Then not a problem to pay man, but Poole have to take less then. Only now I get it. If them give Poole 130 man, have to take less. You understand? So what me I say is, me not care what kind of personal problem you have. That's when you have it boil down to decision making. You have to be very, very careful with decision making. That's what me I tell you now. That's why when Mama Kingston said to me, say, make home girl send her money come to help me come out of jail. And me tell her, no, me not feel that. That time me a home girl a friend help me, they do that now. Home girl, they have dating and hype for me with. I remember me and I never have no problem them time there. So you have to be smart in decision making. You understand? Poole not get the contract yet. Them a negotiate same way. You understand? But me rather Poole leave than Draymond. You understand? Me rather Q to Q, big up yourself. Me rather Jordan Poole low side than Draymond. Swear it. When you see how when Draymond absent last year, we left from number 1 seed, I mean I say seed, number 1 seed to number 4. You remember that? You remember that? I ask you if you remember that. When Draymond come back with team pick up again. You see me? So people, I just tell you now. Draymond Green, please do the right thing, stay at your team, fix your little problem, and do the right thing. Don't mash up your legacy. Be a Kobe Bryant, be a Tim Duncan. I hear that. Don't do that. Don't mash up your thing. You see me? Big up on yourself. And that means come.